Hey ma, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another hair tutorial. This specific wig is from Megalook Hair. This is a 13x4 HD lace balayage loose deep wig, and it is 22 inches. So if you want to see exactly how I slayed this wig, then make sure you keep on watching. So you guys already know I'm going to start off with an unboxing. Of course, Megalook Hair is going to hook you up with a bunch of goodies: eyelashes, edge brush, edge scarf, wig caps, a cute pin, all that stuff, okay? Now here is the hair here. Like I said, it is a 13x4 HD lace balayage loose deep wig. As you guys can see, the hair is super bouncy, super fluffy. The hair itself is beautiful, honestly. It also comes with the elastic band inside the wig, as well as the comb and the adjustable straps. Alright, so as always, the first thing that I'm going to do is fit the wig onto my head, just kind of see exactly where I want it to lay. Once I have that settled, I do cut the lace in like 3 different parts just so it's easier for me to lay it down section by section. And of course, I go in with my Eben lace adhesive spray in order to secure the wig. So once I have the wig secured, you guys are going to see in just a bit that I use my elastic band just to make sure the wig is definitely going to be in place, definitely snug, giving scalp, all that good stuff. Right now you guys just see me cutting out the ear section of my hair. But anyways, like I was saying, once I have the wig secured, I use my elastic band to make sure everything is laid flat. And then I go in with my tweezers to pluck the front and just make the scalp area, well, the front hairline, make it look a little bit more natural. So I'll come back once I finish doing that. So after about maybe like 5 to 8 minutes or so, I did take the elastic band off, and then I went back in just to clean up some areas. Now the only thing is, with this adhesive spray, you're going to see that some of the hair will stick together, so I normally just comb that out. Otherwise you're gonna have super crusty edges, which nobody wants. But basically right now what I'm doing is just kind of cleaning up the front hairline. Anything that I wasn't able to get while the elastic band was on my head, I'm getting now, just to make sure I fully, I'm fully okay with it before I actually cut off the additional lace. So once I take the elastic band off for the second time, I'm going to go ahead and just comb out the edges one more time because of that daggone adhesive spray. I love it, but I hate it at the same time just for that reason, but you know, it's fine. It just gives you an extra step, that's all. But anyways, right now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the additional lace. Now I did have to go back and forth between my razor and my scissors because I don't know, I think maybe it was just the way that I had sprayed the wig down, but I had so much additional lace to get rid of, so I was just like, oh great. So I did, you know, go back and forth between my scissors and my razor. The only thing is that sometimes when you're using your scissors, it could give you helmet head, so I tried my best to go in on certain parts and just go in with my razor. That way it's giving you more of an edge cut that you see right there. So next I'm gonna go in with my even adhesive spray, and I'm just using my fingers to just tap it on the edges of the lace. I'm gonna blow it out one more time and use my elastic band, and then you guys are going to see me go in with some makeup and some mousse to make it look even more natural. So once I finish doing all of that, then I will come back. All right, so far so good. Definition of trusting the process. So obviously because of how I had to cut the additional lace off, I just kind of figured maybe adding baby hairs just make it look a little bit better in certain spots. I am not the best when it comes to baby hairs. I also do not like thick baby hairs. Normally I do super natural baby hairs, or I do no baby hairs at all. So I just went real simple with the baby hairs on this one, okay? So as far as me styling the hair, I decided I wanted to go ahead with a classic middle part, and I did not use any product on this hair at all. The wig was beautiful on its own. I love the way that it dried after I had washed it when I bleached the knots. So I just used water. Like after I went in with my hot comb and my wax stick just to make sure the part is laying flat and it's looking natural as I could get it, I just went in with some water, finger detangled, sorry. I finger detangled with some water, and that's literally it. That's all I did. And yeah, I'll show you guys the end result afterwards. Really quick, as you guys see me styling this hair, I just want to let you guys know that I did not have any issues when it came to this hair. Like I didn't have any additional shedding, I didn't have any tangles. The hair is super full and fluffy and lightweight. And as you guys can see, it was very easy for me to install that wig. So I just wanted to make that clear just so you guys know that this is high quality hair. I did not have any issues whatsoever, and I literally mean that because I would have told you guys if I did, but the hair was super easy to work with. Alrighty you guys, so that is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope that it was easy to follow. As you guys can see, the wig is looking beautiful. As always, I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below for you guys. And of course, I want to thank Megalook Hair for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.